Welcome to Wonderslate. Subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the description to updates and study materials. Topic for today's quiz is World Geography Set 8. Question number 1. The mean radius of the Earth is approximately Option A 32,000 kilometers. Option B 6,400 kilometers. Option C 9,600 kilometers. Option D 12,800 kilometers. The correct answer is Option B 6,400 kilometers. The radius of Earth at the equator is 3,963 miles, 6,378 kilometers, according to NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center. However, Earth is not quite a sphere. The planet's rotation causes it to bulge at the equator. Earth's polar radius is 3,950 miles, 6,356 kilometers, a difference of 13 miles, 22 kilometers. Question number 2. The Moon orbits the Earth at a mean distance approximately Option A 0.384 million kilometer. Option B 149.6 million kilometer. Option C 579 million kilometer. Option D 227.9 million kilometer. The correct answer is Option A 0.384 million kilometer. On average, the distance to the Moon is about 3,85,000 kilometers, 2,39,000 miles, from Earth's center, which corresponds to about 60 Earth radii. With a mean orbital velocity of 1.022 kilometers per second, 0.635 miles per second, the Moon covers a distance approximately its diameter, or about half a degree on the celestial sphere, each hour. Question number 3. The minerals resources of northeastern zone include Option A coal, Fe, Mn, Cu, mica, U, diamond. Option B crude petroleum and natural gas. Option C Fe, O, gold. Option D natural gas, Fe, O, Mn, U. The correct answer is Option A coal, Fe, Mn, Cu, mica, U, diamond. The production of petroleum is 44,000 Mt. approx. Assam coal, limestone, petroleum, granite, sillimanite, iron ore, quartzite, feldspar, clay, natural gas, oil. Assam has a host of mineral deposits among which coal, oil and natural gas have only been commercially exploited. Question number 4. The Moon, Option A, is the natural satellite of Earth. Option B has no liquid water. Option C has no atmosphere. Option D all of the above. The correct answer is Option D all of the above. Question number 5. The Moon's volume is about that of Earth. Option A 140 th. Option B 150 th. Option C 160 th. Option D 120 th. The correct answer is Option B 150 th. It is about 1/50th of the Earth's volume. Question number 6. The magnetic field of Earth, magnetosphere, expands to about Option A 9,600 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Option B 8,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Option C 64,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Option D none of the above. The correct answer is Option C 64,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. On the day side of Earth, The magnetic field is significantly compressed by the solar wind to a distance of approximately 65,000 kilometers, 40,000 miles. Earth's bow shock is about 17 kilometers, 11 miles, thick and located about 90,000 kilometers, 56,000 miles, from Earth. Question number 7. The Ministry of Water Resources lays down policies and programs for the development and regulation of the country's water resources. It covers Option A. Sartorial planning, coordination and policy guidelines. Option B. Technical examination and techno-appraisal of project providing central assistance to specific projects. Option C. Facilitation of external assistance in resolution of interstate water disputes, policy formulation, planning and development of groundwater resources. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is Option D. All of the above. Question number 8. The main crops of Kharif are Option A. Rice, Jwar, Bajra. Option B. Ragi, maize. Option C. Cotton, jute. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is Option D. All of the above. The Kharif crops include rice, maize, sorghum, pearl millet/bajra, finger millet/ragi, cereals, arhar, pulses, soybean, groundnut, oilseeds, cotton, etc. Question number 9. The longest era of the classification of the history of Earth is Option A. Cainozoic era. Option B. Precambrian era. Option C. Paleozoic era. Option D. Mesozoic era. The correct answer is Option B. Precambrian era. The Precambrian era is the longest geological era beginning 4.5 billion years ago and lasting approximately 4 billion years. The Precambrian era is generally separated into two eons, the first of which being the Archean eon. Question number 10. The most obvious effect of pressure on rocks is Option A. Foliation. Option B. Lineation. Option C. Lithification. Option D. The reorientation of mineral crystals. The correct answer is Option D. The reorientation of mineral crystals. Recrystallization of existing minerals, usually into larger minerals. Deformation and reorientation of existing mineral crystals and growth of new ones with distinctive orientation. Question number 11. The longest day, shortest night, in the southern hemisphere is Option A. June 21st. Option B. December 22nd. Option C. July 21st. Option D. November 22nd. The correct answer is Option B. December 22nd, longest and shortest day of the year. The June solstice is the summer solstice in the northern hemisphere and the winter solstice in the southern hemisphere. The date varies between June 20th and June 22nd, depending on the year and the local time zone. Question number 12. The main watershed of most of the peninsular river lies in the Option A. Aravali Hills. Option B. Rajmahal Hills. Option C. Sivalik Hills. Option D. Western Ghats. The correct answer is Option D. Western Ghats. The main water divide in peninsular rivers is formed by the Western Ghats, which run from north to south close to the western coast. Most of the major rivers of the peninsula such as the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri flow eastwards and drain into the Bay of Bengal. Question number 13. The longest epoch of the Tertiary period is Option A. Paleocene. Option B. Eocene. Option C. Oligocene. Option D. Miocene. The correct answer is Option B. Eocene. The Eocene epoch, lasting from 56 to 33.9 million years ago, is a major division of the geologic timescale and the second epoch of the Paleogene period in the Cenozoic era. The Eocene spans the time from the end of the Paleocene epoch to the beginning of the Oligocene epoch. Question number 14. The main percentage of the volume of water in the hydrosphere is in Option A. Oceans and seas. Option B. Groundwaters, rivers and streams. Option C. Glaciers and ice sheets. Option D. Freshwater lakes and water vapors. The correct answer is Option A. Oceans and seas. Question number 15. The main objective of centrally sponsored Command Area Development Program is Option A. Improving the utilization of irrigation potential. Option B. Optimizing agricultural productivity and production from the irrigated area. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option C. Both A and B. The Centrally Sponsored Command Area Development (CAD) program was launched in 1974-75 with the main objectives of improving the utilization of created irrigation potential and optimizing agriculture production and productivity from irrigated agriculture through a multidisciplinary team under an area development. Question number 16. The minimum values of annual receipts of solar radiation occur at Option A. The equator. Option B. The tropics. Option C. The Arctic. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option C. The Arctic. The Arctic is a polar region located at the northernmost part of Earth. The Arctic consists of the Arctic Ocean, adjacent seas, and parts of Alaska, Finland, Greenland, Iceland, northern Canada, Norway, Russia, and Sweden. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now, link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.